Hello, I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So obviously first make sure your vehicle's unlocked. And then you'll go in. There should be a lever right here that'll release. If you hear that pop, that was the safety releasing. Also check your key. Maybe a button on there, that'll help. So now that this is popped open, you can see this is where it was hooked onto. This is where that safety released. If you're having an issue still, right back here there's another lever you can push that'll open this as well, which you could access through this slit that goes inside of the car. So this basically just goes up. These are the back seats, the back row of the car. As you can see, you'd be able to access by just pulling these chairs down. Right here you can see it'll fold down, so if you get these seats to fold down, you can get in that way as well. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.